Okay, so we've got rain. I think we've got rain. Yeah, there's rain. It's still really dry. At least we've got rain. So hello horsies. Hello. Hello. I know you two. You were parked on the side of the road. That one there was. And that one there was. And this is their paddock, which is straight across here. Hi, beautiful girls. Jeez, I love that black and white one. Look at that one. Hello, can you see me? I can see you. I can see you. Hi Jim, we're home. Are you a bit soggy? Hi darling, are you soggy? Yeah, you're soggy. I love you. Okay, I'm just at an intersection. Look at that. Nice. Toy Toy's looking a bit shabby, isn't it? Doesn't look so great today. I'm just coming back to get from getting hay. Oh, okay, so I've been chatting away. So anyway, do you like the twins? One's got 2 white feet, black back feet, and one's got 1 white black foot. But man, are they beautiful. Look at them. One's had its tail cut and one hasn't. Anyway, those mountains in the background are where I'm going to hopefully meet the lady who's going to take Poppy, and she lives on the other side of them. So that's 3/4 of the way across New Zealand. And it's probably 2 or 3 hours away by car. Hi twinnies. Hi twins. Oh my goodness, aren't they just delish? There's a lot of horses here. There's another one. There's about 7 or 8 in there. I see them all the time. I thought one was pregnant the other day. She was really, really low in the tummy, but I don't see her at all. Anyway, there's the little twinnies. Do you know what? I love those snow peak mountains. I hope when I take Poppy over that it's going to be snowing over there. I'm not having much luck getting home with all this scenery, am I? Oh my goodness. I'm actually looking forward to my little road trip. There's not a lot of snow there. And we're going to have such a warm day today. It's going to be like 17 today. I'll have to add that in, what 17 is going to be. It smells good too. It actually smells really good. Anyway. Update on the fluffies. They're growing. They're a big family. We haven't had a single egg from them yet. They're very cute though. Why can I, oh there you go, I was going to say, why can I only see 3 black ones, but there's the other one. I think the little black one on the side there is a boy. I'll keep him. Anyway, got the generator going. Generator's going. I haven't cleaned my cupboard yet. Battery's about 2/3 full. When it's full it gets to 5, it gets down to 5. I don't know what the input is, I'll have a look later. fridge isn't going. Oh, there's absolutely nothing going in the house at the moment. And Kaya, there's Kaya. That was supposed to be for my chickens, but I bought too many chickens, so now it's just like nothing. Yeah. Jimmy is over there. Luna's eating by herself. Jimmy is a shambles. Nobody loves him. See, the sheep eat the top food and Jimmy eats the bottom food because that's where all the good bits go. And look at the state of his head. Jim, show everybody your little head. Jimmy. I think we'll be growing grass in his mane very shortly. Jimmy, show everybody your little head. Here's Daisy. Daisy's going to go in with Herman. Look at your head. Oh, Jim. Might buy one of those rubber mats and put it under there so at least he can like look up all that good stuff. They're $50. I've seen them. I think I'll definitely go and get one. It's King's birthday weekend this weekend, so Monday's a public holiday, but tomorrow will be open. And it's Saturday tomorrow. Here's my little Luna girl. Luna's doing the same thing. I might have to do something with that one as well. It falls on the other side, but I can't really give it to them because it's full of stones. Anywho, that happened. Cruisy Bear's feeling a bit better. He's pacing again. He's been to the vet. It was $277 for his eye drops and pain relief. He has got an ulcer on his little eye and they think he's got a hypothyroid, but he hasn't had the blood test yet. We're just trying to manage his eyes at the moment. Hey Cruisy. So he's going to have a short face there. Actually the vet said the hair probably had nothing to do with his sore eyes, his hair in his eyes. It's probably the thyroid because of his weight gain and his lethargy. Anyway, I'll carry on. Okay, so I'm filming from the other way. And here's my little, I know it's very dark in here for them, but I've just hung up, they've got shade cloth, but I've just hung up a tarpaulin because they just got so wet. You were all wet and soggy and awful. Life was miserable. There's Donald in the corner, he's a happy little camper. Anyway, I've just filled up their food bin, which is the rubbish bin at the back there, the tin bin. And I have to fozzick through and see which roosters I'm keeping. I think I'm just going to keep Donald and one of the black ones. Which means there's about 4 or 5 to go. Which is a bit sad. Never mind. We love Donald. The generator's not too loud, is it? I'm going to go around and look at the sunset. It's about we're 4:45 and the sun's just heading down. It looks really pretty. Hi. Are you Barney? I don't know who Barney is. Who's Barney? Are you Barney? Hi Dylan. He doesn't recognise me. He's not one that I know. Hi. You don't know me, sweetheart. You are very beautiful. I think you're Barney. Oh, have a sniff. There's somebody's nose. I wonder if it's... Oh, do you know what? I have no idea. Nope. There's no name. Hello, sweet. Are you Frenny? Do you know me? Euro. Okay, so this is Barney with Euro's coat on. Hey. Hi. You're the new baby. He's a new. Oh, he's got a little scratchy under there. Hang on, let me get that. I'll get it. I'll get it for you. Oh, something's itchy and he's liking it. I got it. Hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Barney's getting to know me. Don't eat my hand. Oh, he's just fogged up my glasses. Oh, he smells good. Oh, yum. Here's the sun. Hey, Barney. Handsome boy with Euro's coat on. Handsome. I'm going to go and see Clyde. There's a little Clyde. Oh, look at you. Hi, Clyde. Come away from that there and... Or is it Sassy? Oh, I think that's Sassy. How could I mistake a boy for a girl horse? I have no idea. It's definitely Sassy. Sassy's got a little lug boots on. Come here, Sassy. Come here, you sassy girl. Sassy. Oh, yes, she's got her name on. Oh, she pongs. Oh, Sassy, you're so beautiful, girls. Oh, so Sassy. Oh, Sassy. She smells. She wants to eat my clothes. Oh, Sassy. Okay. Look at the sun. We've had clouds. It's actually their dinner time in about 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So they're like, are you going to feed me? Actually, I'm not, Sassy. I've come to see the new baby. It's growing up to be a big horsey. Hi, Sassy. Sassy's very tall. Sassy's very tall. She's taller than my head. That's not saying much though. Like your boots, Sass. You've come to the end of the road, my love. Look. That's it. Bye, Sassy. Where's this little baby? Oh, he's not there. Oh, I wonder where he's gone. Oh, well. Oh, look at that horse. Oh my God. Do I know that little dapple grey? Do I know that one? I don't know her. Do you think it's a foal? It doesn't? Oh lordy, that's a beautiful horse. Look at our beautiful flowers here in New Zealand in the summer and the winter time. The only colour we've got anywhere that you can see, and it's a thistle with thorns on it, an inch. Isn't that disgusting? Oh, I didn't even see you two here. Charlie? Charlie! Look at Charlie. And this will be a new one. And I don't know who she is. Hi, Charlie. Hi. They've all got their brand spanking new coats on. They're all just fresh out the bag. Well, you wouldn't know it though, would you? Hi, how are you? Oh, you are just beautiful. Hi, Charlie. Oh, oh. Charlie's not the boss around here. Charlie, you're not the boss. These two, they're looking for their dinner. Looking for your dinner? God, they smell good. I'll jump them. Nobody jumps that. I did. Oh, I see Clyde. I see Clyde. I'll pause you. Oh, do you know what I've just seen? Look at that sun. Look what I've just seen. Is that a new baby? I know it's quite big. Ah, hi baby. Oh lordy. Oh. Hi Clyde. Now I know you're Clyde because Sassy had her name on her rug. Clyde's got the big blaze. God, I love this horse. I saw you exercising this morning. You did exercising and you did a good job. You did a good job exercising, my love. Hi. Look at this little Clyde. He is so special. Look at him. What are you doing with your rug up around your ear holes? You've got a rug up around your ear holes, darling. If it rains, you'll get wet ears. Hi, who are you? God, they all look the same, don't they? You look the same. Who's with Clyde? Oh, I don't remember. I don't remember who's Clyde's friend is. Who's Clyde's friend? I don't know. These two get on. You get on, don't you? Oh God, you smell good. Clyde's got 3 little spotties on his nose. Clyde. I love you, Clyde. Clyde's quite hairy for a horse. He's quite hairy compared to that one. I wonder, well, he's got some Clyde in him, obviously. Has he? Have you? Have you got Clyde in you? Is that why you're hairier than the others? A little bit of Clyde. And the Clyde. God, he's got some pretty bits up here. I know you're putting your ears back, but I'm just scratching that out. Okay, I'll carry on. I wonder if the grey's going to bring her baby down. Come here. Come and visit your auntie. Come and visit your auntie. She went, nope, we're not going to, oh, sorry, we're not going down there, look at that. Very beautiful. Now we'll get down this. I think this is my best mate, Boris. I'm probably wrong. Hello, you two. You look half asleep, little black horsies. They're still waiting for their dinner. This will be for soon. Is this my best mate? Are you my best mate? He always comes up to me. Ah, let me see your tag. Shopper. Who's Shopper? Shopper? Can you see that? Who the heck is Shopper? And who are you? You don't live here either. Shopper. When did we get you two? They've got brand spanking new coats on. I didn't even see you arrive. You must have come. What? Now I'm confused. I don't recognise your face at all. And you, Shopper. She's giving me a kissy. Hi, did you give me a kiss and I don't even know you? Look at this little horsey. I like you. You're deaf. Tubby. Who the heck's Tubby? Oh gee, it gets more confusing every time I look. I do like you. You're very, very, very beautiful. Shopper and Tubby. Well, there you go. You learn something new every day. Oh, he's licking. They're coming. Honestly, they'll be coming. They're coming, Tubby. Hi. Are you coming, Tubby? Look at you two with your beautiful coats. Have a good snuff. I could be out here for hours. Oh, she got a little kissy. I got a kiss from you. And the phone got a kiss. Shopper. I don't know who Shopper is. Who's Shopper? Who is Shopper? Oh, I was going to swing it. There she is. I don't even know who Shopper is. Sorry, I haven't done my fucking... Okay, hello, Onyx. This is my favourite. In colour, Onyx. Onyx and Piper. What happened to your little schnoz? Like you've got a little huge on you. Is it white? I've never seen that before. Onyx, you're very dark. You're very dark. Hey Onyx. Love the sauce. Onyx. Oh, don't touch that, my sweet. Oh, I just got pinged. And that's Piper. And Piper's the beautiful, beautiful red horse. Here's a little chestnut. You're a little chestnut Mia. It's not even worth eating that, you know. Onyx, it's not worth eating that. Paddocks look lovely, don't they? Oh, they're clean. There's a patootie shot. Hi Onyx. You can't even see his face because he's so black. He's a black horse. He's like Black Beauty, isn't he, with this little white star there, a little white bit there. Has he got shoes on? He's got shoes on the front. I don't think he's got shoes on the back. No, he hasn't got shoes on. Has he? No, he hasn't. It's hard to tell. And you haven't got shoes on the back either. Or the front Piper, she's probably young. She's too, no, I don't know. Who knows? Well, the sun's not nearly gone. It's almost gone. It doesn't do it justice. I need to get back to my little house, which is by that pylon there, just this side of it. And turn my generator off, and I haven't fed one of my chickens yet. I only counted 7 chickens in here before. They are rescues. Look, they're going to go up in the trees to perch. Hello chicken. You're looking quite healthy. The other ones are just a little bit sad. I think they're ex-battery hens. Possibly. They look like little highlines, don't they? And that one looks like a little highline that's recently been rescued. Hello girls. Have you got names? You probably haven't got names. That's the pond, and it's winter, and it's barely even muddy in the bottom of the pond. Barely even muddy. We've had like 3 days of rain in months. There's a meeting. I'm not invited. Oh, son.